Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. We're here in Duluth, Minnesota at one of Elecmetal's cutting-edge foundries where high-performance steel and iron castings are skillfully engineered. With over 100 years of experience, Elecmetal is a trusted global partner in the mining industry, known for its commitment to innovation and advanced technology. Offering a comprehensive range of products, including mill liners, crusher liners, grinding media, and large specialty castings, Elecmetal is the preferred partner for crusher operators and mineral processors seeking to optimize operations. With strategically located metallurgical plants in Chile, the United States, Peru, China, South Africa, Indonesia, and Zambia, Elecmetal's world-class manufacturing capabilities in foundry products and grinding media continue to support the growing demands of the global mining industry. Success in mining goes beyond quality products. It requires a solutions-driven approach. Elecmetal integrates dedicated client support, advanced digital tools, expert consulting, comprehensive training, and continuous monitoring to deliver long-term value and operational excellence. Through its Fit optimization programs, Elecmetal provides tailored solutions that drive continuous improvement. These programs address the unique challenges of each mining operation, delivering strategic insights and measurable gains in performance and efficiency. Sustainability isn't just a goal for Elecmetal. It's a core value, driving meaningful impact and enhancing its competitive edge. They collaborate with customers and stakeholders as a strategic partner to advance sustainable mining and manufacturing practices. To learn more about Elecmetal's unwavering commitment to continuous improvement, sustainability, and operational excellence, visit me-elecmetal.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.